Da 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 da. Ba da dun 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 dun. Ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Actually, welcome to episode 21 of streaming game stream time. Thank you for the follow, TC Mine. They followed like 20 minutes before I started stream. Wild. I don't know, if you pop in, you gotta tell me how you found me. But yeah, hello, welcome. How's it going? Today we're gonna do more fucking actual game development. Can you believe it? I need to develop a way to make it so that I can interrupt animations through the events. Oh god, it's on streamer mode. Okay, project settings. Oh my god, this fucking... It is on streamer mode, what the hell? Oh, don't start with this bullshit. It's too early. It's too early for my overly complicated stream interface to have some bullshit going on. Come on, please. What the hell? What the hell? Valorous! Oh god, kicking without starting with saying a message can be catastrophic. Be careful. Wait, where's your goober? Wait, what can kicking? Oh yeah, smell this. Okay. Oh, I forgot about my notification message. It is always hilarious to me when people respond to the notification message. I completely forget about it. It is wiped from my memory until There's the kick. The kick should make your guy appear. I don't know why it didn't. I've tested it, but it's freaking okay. Whatever. Today I'm starting streaming with water. Oh my god, that was so good. I was out all day today. It is blisteringly hot. Moonside was right. It is not fun out there. It is burning. The sun is a deadly laser. For real. For fucking real. Anyway, I guess I'm just suffer maxing right now because I do not know how to. Let me go in here. So these all look correct. Okay, so I'm just being boned. I'm just being straight up boned. Bring that back up. Bring this back up. Oh my god. Already with this shit so early on? What did I break? What the hell did I break that made it so the playtest stopped working? Was it something I did yesterday during Meta Monday with the server or whatnot? I don't know. What the hell? See, that still works. But this isn't... Did I update the Spout stream name maybe? Somehow, some way? What if I run from Spout stream scene? Will that work? Spout rapper. Run. What is this song? Oh yeah, I got new song. I'm downloaded. The stream is a little late, specifically because I downloaded a new playlist for things in the background to be listened to. It's still Nintendo music, basically. What the hell is this? Oh, Debugger 3. Attempted to open script, Spout rappers, file not found. Okay. I mean, that explains why this isn't working, but it doesn't explain why I'm suffering. Hacks code, CLS and compile. What do you mean it's not appearing? Are you kidding me? Come on. Here it is, Spout rapper. What about this file is not going to get generated? Is this some more BS that I fucked with in... fuck, it probably is. I probably fucked with some shit with Reflex, my transpiler engine, whatever, that, this music does not meet the vibes. The thing said upbeat Nintendo music, and I went through and a lot of them were upbeat, but you can't have song 3 be whatever the hell this is. What song is this? This is something Mario, maybe. This feels Galaxy-ish, but like it's not upbeat though. I need energy while I'm suffering. So okay, not exist. Okay, well, does it exist now? See, here it is. Now it exists. Now we're all doing great. So maybe I need to get rid of this generated text, remove that. This Jason looking okay. It should ID cache as false version 1, so that should be good now. If we run level 1 again, this hypothetically, theoretically, this should work. Actually, this should process properly, but we'll see. We'll see. Woo, there we go. Okay, cool. Here's my game. You dunk on laser, you jump over laser, and then you run towards door, and then get squished by actually hand. Oh, it's so fucking funny. It needs more impact. The animation sucks ass. The way it just flies in and has like no, like, it feels like it has no weight to it. So I think I need to add that to the animation somehow. Like it's being pushed by something, and I need the button to react to being pushed a bit better. So right now, like when it pushes, it doesn't move, but it should like tilt back a bit when it gets touched, or like squish, or go like or do something, you know? Like right now, it's just not great. It's not great, and I need a sort of system to let you play animations. So how do you make an animation for an arbitrary object? The answer is the animation player or the animation tree. So I think that might be the move. It might be finally time to actually use an animation tree in this thing, which is a little scary because I like doing things with code, but there's no reason why I couldn't make an animation tree or animation player for this thing right here. This interact panel. Like, why not? Why not? I'd have a thing where I'd play the animation and it would be great. So, first of all, I think this should not be tilted toward... Should it be tilted towards the player? Because the player can't interact with this panel. So it's just like that to make you feel like you can, even though you can't. But when it comes down to it, I'm going to need to make it so I can tilt it like this. And I'm not sure I can do that programmatically. Maybe I can if I do animation tree? Animation player? I suppose? I don't know. On button press. Okay, I do that, and then I have to add a track. So I have this open. I can go to this and maybe use the key thing. So I would like the key rotation, please. Use Bezier curves. I don't know what that means still. I'm still confused on how curves exist in the world, but I'll do. And what the hell is a reset tracks? I don't know. I guess we'll do it. And then we'll put a thing there, and then we'll put one at 5. Like this. See, the issue is I don't have good access to easing mechanics that I can easily do. Insert key, insert key, insert key. Okay, so all this is rotation Y. So maybe I should just be doing this manually. No. What? Huh? What? Look at that. That's not what I fucking did at all. That's completely different. Oh, you freaking freak. When will you learn that your actions will have consequences? So if I tilt it back like that, and do insert key, insert key, insert key. No, delete this key. But then insert key here. This does not equal to the thing I just had it set as. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, I'm tired already, Valorous. I'm tired of these shenanigans. Oh, I'm tired. I'm so tired. Okay, I knew it. I knew animation player was not the move. It never is. It never fucking is. Don't let anyone tell you that animation player is the way to go. It's not. Actually 9 plus 10 equals 21. Actually, the actually guy would actually say that 9 plus 10 equals 19 when someone says 9 plus 10 equals 21. Actually, a normal person would be like 9 plus 10 equals 21, and then the actually I'd be like actually it equals 19. It's 19. I'm tired, boss. Yo, for real. I'm so tired. I had to drive a lot today. It was pretty ass. Okay. Actually, oh god, why'd you start this? Why'd you start this, Telestus? Now you got me going. Don't even get me started. Things that exist in the world. That's going to be under level area 1. Trigger actually trigger, and then it's gonna move this hand and trigger the event, right? So we know all this. In fact, it pushes down the button, but you can't see it because actually the button's really small, so you can't see it that well. I mean, I'm gonna look for it here, but it's not what I really want. What I want is that whole fucking panel to go like bloop, and then like indicate that it was interacted with. Oh, so I cracked in there here, but no, right now it just I mean, you can kind of see it go down, but actually 9 plus 10 equals 910 or 109, depending on the absolute value. Mom, my favorite Twitch streamer is on. Turn on the TV. Ah, stop. Shut up. Stop. No, seriously. I hate doing that voice. Please stop. Stop it. Oh, okay. All right. Actually, oh my god, I love it when it shatters. That is my favorite death so far. Even better than the one where it smashes you 3 times out of aggravation, which is also really fucking hilarious. This is so good. This is really funny. Maybe I should make the door slam faster, and that way it makes the death feel more. Oh my god, it's so fucking funny the way it crushes you. You are actually my favorite Twitch streamer. I'll support you until the end of the world. Oh, we'll see about that. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. Have you considered, Telestis, that I might be the reason the world ends? That I'll conquer the world one day to destroy it? World domination to world destruction pipeline. Oh, will you still stand by me then? Will you still support me then? Oh, better? All right, it'd be like that. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, I would fucking make a fantastic world dictator. Vote for me. Well, I guess you don't vote for me, but it doesn't matter anyway, though. So I'll get there anyway. Give me, what number is that? 10 million of those? Yeah, give me one of those. Like, well, I'll have what he's having. Oh, spikes. Okay. It's definitely lags and there's a lot of spikes. I need to fix that. I think I need to procedurally generate the spike meshes to make a big row of them. Actually, I need to do that. Okay. What else? What else exists in the world? The actually hand needs to be stopped. Not just animated, but stopped. So, but I'm such an animation person. I'm such an animation individual. Oh, animate me, daddy. See if I click it and then it animates that button, but like I want it to do things. I need it to scale. I need to scale by not just that. I need to scale by like a curve, and I think I can already do that. I think I already have the capability to do that because I just go to scalar 3 and then I set the node path to whatever the base of this would be. So that's gonna be interact panel, and so that's set and done for me, right? So if I go to scalar 3D, interact panel, here we go. Okay, we're gonna put that right next to this. There we go. Since we wait for this button, right? We don't, do we? Interesting. So we have start scale and end scale. Is this uniform scale? It is. It's 1, 1, 1. Okay, so start scale is just going to be 1, 1, 1, and then end scale is going to be what? 2, 2, 2? And then for easer, we're going to make a custom easer. No, not that. Oh my god. Okay, custom easer. No, not custom easer. I want curve easer. That's what I'm thinking of. And in the curve, we're going to make it go up and down. So, like this, like that. And then we need to ease it a bit. So like I want to go fast. Like, whoop, whoop. Is that right? Oh god, no, don't do that. Oh, I love the curve editor in Godot. It's so hype. Like go like whoop. Like, you know what I mean? Like go whoop. You know, and so it'll do that when it gets touched, and I could probably do that in 40. By the way, I'm making an overlay with my VTuber moving around the room. I've made one Blender, and it's like yours, but much different. And the difference is that my VTuber moves around, and the head moves with the mouse. Oh shit! Okay, Telestis. All right, go off. Good shit. Okay, I love this. I cannot wait to see what it looks like. Yeah, mine definitely needs some work. Right now it's just a hand that follows the mouse, and it's not really even obvious that it's correlated. There's a lot of work I need to put into mine. I really want mine to be more interactable and more walk-aroundable. By the way, just a little fun fact. The fence is now kickable, by the way. If you kick the fence enough time, something will happen. My VTuber is a robot. I love robots. Hey, I'm kind of a robot VTuber too. It's the TV head robot kind of thing going on. But yeah, oh, hell yeah. Hell yes. We love the robot inspiration. I kind of miss your Canadian VTuber model. What? What is my Canadian VTuber model? What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Okay. Valorous, are you referring, did I have a Canadian VTuber model? Yeah, I'm also just as confused, Celestis. But don't worry, I'm sure Valorous will explain. I'll be like, oh, yeah. Oh my God, I did have a VTuber model, kind of. It was like a pixel art one. Did I use that? Did I actually stream with that VTuber model? Oh my God, did I do that? I might have. It was like a guy at a desk. And then like, there was some interaction, the head moved. Oh, that's why it's Canadian, because it was like the South Park Canadian like animation. Oh, it's all coming back to me, Valorous. I remember now. Yeah, the mouth would go blah, 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 blah. And yes. Oh, that shit was hilarious. I need to bring that back. Yes, apparently I had a Canadian VTuber. I wonder if those VODs are still up somewhere. I wonder if we could find, like, what even I was existing at that moment. I feel like I'd make them unlisted, but in a playlist somewhere. Boop. Oh, I love this song. This B Galaxy or whatever the hell it's called? I can't check, but I'm going to assume so. Live? I do have some... Here it is. Oh my God. Yeah, here is my stream. It's just another live tab. Huh. Damn, look at that. Wow, okay, that is... All right, epic. Wow, my VTuber kind of... Oh, it's kind of garbage compared to what I got now. This was back when I didn't live in a 3D world. You must understand. This is back when I was a pathetic 2D exister, and I did not care. But look at me still using hacks. Holy shit. Damn, some stuff just doesn't change. I guess it was only a year ago. It was only 2024. Wow, I really... Huh. And then I had like a talking bar. I really need to add like a talking reactive thing to my model. That'd be really cool. I really want to do like animations where the hands move around automatically depending on like my pauses in my speaking. So like if I stop for a second, it'll like go to a different phrase, like oh, something like that. I could actually link the VTuber. It was funny when it died and froze with the mouth open. This is my old stream in context, Telestis. And while I'm here, let me go throw myself into the jail because I'm not supposed to be here. You go over here. There we go. Okay. Bow, bow, banana, 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 bow, bow, banana, bow, banana, 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 bow, boom, bum, banana, bow. Okay, so what? So, okay, enough distracting. That looks amazing. Oh, thank you. I drew it myself, and every time the guy would sit down, it would like slam the table, make the fucking monitor do a flip. It was kind of cool. Even back then, I had some cool shit. Oh my God, my code editor had like a fire effect. That is sick. I need to add that back. How do I add that? Wait a second. How do I get the fire back? Wait. VS Code fire effect. This is definitely like an easy extension I could add. Power mode extension. Okay, and then you go to settings. All right, wait. Hold on. VS Code. That is sick. Power mode? Here it is. Install. Trust publisher and install. Oh. Okay, and then... Huh. And then what? You go to power mode in the settings? Okay. Preferences, settings, power mode, and then enable power mode. And I want flames, and that should be good. So now if I go in here and I type... Ooh! Ooh! Okay, I don't know how I feel about the screen like going offset, but power mode, timeout for the combo resets, timer enabled, counter enabled, location, presets. Where's the screen shake though? Do I just click power mode and then turn this off and then extensions, power mode, there it is. Shake, there it is, so I can turn off shake. But I want, or I can just turn off the intensity. I can make it like 1. Explosions? Okay, and then I go to I unlocked memories. Yeah, if you model the same character from your first VTuber, it would look amazing. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it could. But I like the idea of like the VTuber model and the face cam combined. So the TV head is definitely a must. But Yeah, and also it was kind of boring. I wanted like spice up the clothes of it. Even as it is right now, it's not as good as I hope. Okay, there we go. Hi. Hello. Hello there. General Kenobi, a bald one. Sorry, your VTuber waved at me. Oh, hell yeah, I think I could wave. Can I I mean, I could wave. This is technically my VTuber waving. Wait. Hi there. Hi. What I really wanted for this scene for my VTuber was to like peek up, like holding the bottom of the screen like this, and like peek out and be like, do. But I haven't gotten to that level yet. Hi. How's it going? Hey, whoa. Hi. So yeah, I do have some interaction with my mouse. But yeah, moving the head with the mouse is pretty good. How'd you achieve that? I had to do, for me, I had to do, like, Windows API BS to get the mouse position, like, for the absolute, like whole screen. I had to do some weird shit. So I'm guessing you probably, did something a bit simpler, as you probably should, which was use a separate, sort of, I guess you just use the mouse in the game itself, and then you need some way to somehow show I don't know. That's the tough part, right? Is having it so that your actual screen shares like show something in the game. Man, this streamer is so much fun to be in a stream. Okay, thank you, I appreciate it. I am going to not do these things. Shake is not going to be enabled because Shake sucks, but the flames are hype. I wish they weren't so laggy though. That kind of sucks. Like, I can see why I stopped using it, because see how like the animation like loops weirdly? I hate that. I remember it looking much cooler. And I wish it was. Flames, what else we got here? Magic? Ooh, that's kind of lame actually. No, not magic. Clippy? Oh, that's really fucking funny. Okay, and what else? What do we got here? Particles is default. I guess, but it's also the same issue where like it repeats weirdly, like it's not done properly. And I don't know how I feel about that. Particles, fireworks, it's just gonna be all the same, right? Just like an animation that might... See, that one's good because it doesn't have to worry about looping. It just plays no matter what, which is what flames should be. But instead it kind of loops weird. Like, do you see how like I hit G and it like loops through it twice? Like, see that's not how it should be. It should start from the beginning and then I don't know. I don't like it. I wonder if there was some way I could have changed that. Timer enabled. Don't care about that. Explosions. I'm so hyped for this, but it doesn't look that good. That's why I don't use it. Control the size of the combo meter text. Counter enabled. I'll keep it on for now because it's kind of funny. But only a little bit funny. Why does it loop like that? Why does it loop like that? Is there like a better power mode? I don't know. VS Code power mode. VS Code power mode, one of the most requested. Oh yeah, it's just the same one I already have. Power mode, flame animation loops. Does anyone care about the aesthetics as much as I do, or does no one care? I think no one cares, and that's why I'm not gonna get any results for this. Okay, enough getting sidetracked. It is time to get back into actually making the game. I know everyone loves the game development. That's right, I was doing something fun. I was actually making a curve, so that runs that, and this should actually work, I think. Let's try it. It should go whoop. It should go whoop. You know what I mean? Like whoop. I don't know. It's gonna go whoop. This might break though, because it might assume that it always ends at 2, at like the final end value. So it might just snap to that. What the hell was that? Let's try that again. But clearly the curve is not being used. It is. It clearly was used. It just is going really slow. So scaling needs to be like 1.2, 1.2, 1.2. And then this duration needs... 40 is too slow. How can that be? I guess I'll do 12. It needs to be really fast, like boop. You know, like boop. Ugh. Don't kick anything behind my back. I gotta make sure the thing that I did works. It's completely untested. It might crash my stream interface. Oh, look at that. It like was a little delayed though. I don't like that. Mover here should not be cubic in out. It should be something that like smashes into whatever it does. So that might just be cubic in, because yeah, that'd be cubic in. That's probably why it looks so weird, because it like goes in slowly, but it should go and be like stop instantly because it's being stopped by the button. Okay. Yeah, if you guys do kicks near the fences, something might happen. One thing I also wanted to do was like have it so you could see yourselves. Oh my god, that's pretty good. Let's look at that again. Okay, crouch under this, jump over this. That's nice. That actually does what I was kind of hoping. I think it needs to be a bit more subtle the way it works, but besides that, I like it. Kicking. Oh yeah, you gotta make sure you're aiming just right. Oh, see, now if you kick right now, you'll definitely get it. Oh, you turned away. See, even when I was trying to do it, I didn't have the stream delay. See, this is so fucking interesting because you can't really control your kick. You need a way to like lock in your character's look rotation somehow. I don't know how. Huh. Kicking. Oh, okay. Let's see here. So it goes like bloop, but I also want it to rotate like that as well. But this already has some rotation applied to it. Wait, no, it doesn't. Does this? This definitely does. That's the Y. So I want that to go like boodoo. And so to get the actual rotation I want, I'll have to do that. And then that pushes it back a bit. Kicking. Oh, I can't stop myself. It's too funny. So pointy hand holder, collision shaped trigger. So in addition with the scaler, let's also do a rotator with the same effect. Rotator 3D. Here we go. Assign it to, what are we assigning it to? What is this thing called? Button. Oh, interact panel. Interact panel. Okay. Should wait. Nope, don't care. Start rotation needs to be whatever the hell this is. So copy that. Trigger? Scalar. No, not scalar, rotator. Okay, paste that, and then paste the same thing. But I make this like a little bit negative, right? So just a little bit negative. And I'll give it the exact same easer for the most part. So let's go ahead and copy that. And then we should copy the whole custom thing and then paste it in here. Paste, and then we'll give it another 12. And so now we should definitely have some sort of effect that'll make it go like, like clearly something is touching this panel when it works. So let's see. Kicking. Okay, go under laser. Yeah, at the very least, I want the world to be filled with stuff you can kick. So no matter what, even if you miss what you're going for, you still get some sort of interaction. Look at that. That was pretty good. I think it went the wrong direction, though. If I want to go back, it needs to be positive. It needs to be positive. Oh, no. So I want it to go like this, so it doesn't clip too much into the wall. Copy. Okay. And then this. Trigger. Rotator. It's going to go to this rotation. Okay, and then we're going to do that. We're going to go ahead and do that, as you can see. Actually, we're going to do that. Oh, you can kind of see your crown poking through the playtest. That might need a fix. Go under there, jump over this. Oh, it's perfect. Almost, kind of. It's eh. I mean, perfect is a strong word. Like, it doesn't look like it's being pushed by it, right? Maybe it should be going backwards in the direction that's leaning, rather than what I just did. Like, if it went back like this? Like that, maybe? That would be more what you would expect? Like that. No, it should be like that. And then move this one up a bit. God, I wish there was a better way to do this. Oh, no. I'm sure there is. You can laugh at me if there is. Rotation like that. And then go back to your default, whatever the fuck that was. Oh my god, what was that? Okay, was it this? Okay, and then rotator, paste and rotation. And then where's the easer? Oh, because I undid the easer because I fucking hit Control Z too many times. I can probably make the rotator a bit slower because the scaler I want to happen like instantly, but the rotator I want to like come back, which means I probably shouldn't be using the same curve, should I? Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. Actually, your animation looks fine. That was pretty good. I like that. Why was it so fucking fast though? Answer me that. Answer me that, gamers, fellow humans. Okay. Alright, go under the laser, go above the laser. See, it looks like it pops up the way it does that. Why does it do that? Because of the scale. So why do I let the scale control me like this? Why do I let the scale... What if I do like 6? Would that be ridiculously fast, though? So, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Bum bum. Ba-da-ba. Ba-bum. Go under the laser, go above the laser, go around here. That was really nice. It was too fast though. It was way too fast. This rotation needs to be 60. Like it needs to be clearly distinct from the scaling. I hope that's what I can achieve. Alas, I don't know. Only my art shall tell. Only me as the artist can I possibly know the intent of the art. I farted. Oh, that was a really loud one. You probably heard it. That's pretty good. I like that. I like that. Okay, I can reset just by doing this. Look at it again. Okay, run here. Duck under laser. Jump over laser. All right, perfect then. That's good. That's what I want to hear. Is that you didn't hear him. Thank you for telling the truth and being honest with me. Tell us this, and that's not just a lie you say to satiate my suffering. I hate this button press. I hate it. What? I mean, it's okay, I guess. It could be better. It doesn't feel very buttony, you know? I feel like I'm not changing my destiny too much here. What does that even mean? I am so tired right now. All the fucking tired vibes are coming in. I need to sleep. Okay, what? Okay. I guess that's good enough for now. You clearly touch it, and there'll be like a click effect. You can clearly hear that. You can clearly see that it's what's being touched. And so, I think that's fine. But yeah, it sucks. I need... What's up, sleepy boy? Because I got another thing I gotta do it like in a couple hours, so I gotta make sure I take a nap before that, because I need energy for that. I'm just terrified I'm gonna take a way too long of a nap and miss it too much. What's up, sleepy boy? Oh, Turbo Seb, that's you. Fuck, I didn't even recognize it. Holy shit, welcome. Hey, how you doing? Actually, I'm not sleepy. I am just resting my eyes. I'm just a closed eyes stream. I was closing my eyes. So I couldn't even see the animation one last time before I go back to the editor. Actually. Oh my god. Okay, that's pretty good. It's as good as it's gonna get with rotations and scales. Maybe I should like make it push down. That might actually work. Wait a second, that might actually work. Instead of doing N scale to be this, let's do N scale to be 0.8. Wait, then I could... Oh my god, wait a second. I could add distinctions between these, so that way... Oh my god! Oh, why didn't I think of this? Because I wanted the animation to not just do a uniform scale. I want it to like squish down on the Y and squish out on the X and Z. And I can do that by setting these values right here to be set different. Oh my god, I didn't even think about this. I wasn't even gaining knowledge. Let's do a bit of a do like that, like it curves down too much. Oh, I guess this is fine the way it is. Either way, that's gonna look way better than what it was before. Oh my god, Turbo, thank you. Because of your contribution to the world and into my brain right now, I will now ascend to new animation capabilities because you're pushing it. Of course, if you push him, it's gonna get pushed down. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's hilarious and fucking iconic. It's almost a bit too fast, TBH. It's a bit too much. Okay, maybe not 0.8, but 0.9. And then what else do we do here? Duration, we should make that up to 20-ish. Will that update in game? Who fucking knows? Who knows? You surely don't knows. That was so good. Did you see how good that was? Yo! Oh, it's so cartoony and fun. The way it just goes, squish. Yes! Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Oh, that's a good button push. That is a good button push. Okay. Oh, that's so tasty. I love that for me. Woo. That is so nice. How, like, oh. That's like a little squeeze. Okay, that's exactly what I was going for. Oh my god, it was like, boop. Okay, so now you can clearly see the button is being pushed. Oh, it's so fucking funny. Okay, what's next? Now I have to be able to block the aim actually hand. And to do that, that's going to be actually kind of difficult because right now, the way that it works is that I use this thing over here called my Mover 3D event. And this just moves some arbitrary node 3D from a start position to an end position over a duration with an easing effect, you know, etc. You get the gist. But it's constant. So I don't have a way to do it with collidable objects. Nor do I have a way to sort of handle an instance where the collision is canceled? I guess? I don't know. You know what I could do is I could have it so the event has two branching paths after it completes, whether it succeeds or whether it gets blocked. So I could do like a blockable Mover 3D, and what would it be? It'd have to be like an animatable body of some sort. I don't know. Actually, I don't know what I would do. Actually, or would I just raycast for every movement to see if there's something there? The raycast makes more sense. Oh no, Telestus, not the ads. Get added. You don't even know what I'm having. Woo! You see me in the top corner? I'm doing crazy shit and you can't even know what's happening because you're watching an ad right now. Oh my god, what could be going on right now? Fuck, what do we do to make it even like more crazy? Give it more FOMO. Whoa! Whoa, I'm switching back and forth. Whoa! Oh my god, I bet you wish you were in the stream right now. Oh my god, crazy shit's happening. Okay, Valorous, when fucking Telestus gets back, we have to act like some crazy shit went down, alright? Oh my god. Whoa! Whoa! Oh. When I do this, it looks like I do the got bitches face. got bitches. Hey Telestus, how's it going? How's it going? You heard me. No. Nothing happened from ads. Everything's great. I heard you. I don't know what you mean. What do you mean? Ads can't be over. It says there's still 5 more seconds for ads. Damn, I didn't see the overlay update. Cool outlines. Oh, the outlines are pretty fun. That was just me fucking around with stencil buffer for the 4.5 beta updates. The real update is you gotta kick the fence. Try kicking the fence right now, Turbo, before your guy turns around. Oh my god, Turbo, your guy committed to going closer to the fence. Turbo, kick the fence! Oh, well, you can't kick the fence anymore. That's the gambling aspect to my fucking interface. Nope, it's way too late. There you are gone. Oh my god. Oh, it's so frustrating. Maybe I need to do something to make it way easier. How would I do? You'd have to be like a freeze effect or something, like freeze guy. Like right now, Telestus can kick it. They're near the. I just want to see. Has anyone kicked the fence yet so far? And like seen it do the thing it does? It's not that crazy. It just has a little like red flash that it does before. But if you do it enough times, it will break. See, look, now Telestus turned the other way. Oh, you can kick it from behind though, so he still counted. Val's like, if I kick enough times, eventually I will be in front of the fence preemptively. Look all you red asses. Yay! Yeah, you did it. Congratulations on your kick, good sir. Or madam. I'm not sure which. Anyway. So yeah. It doesn't take that many kicks. It takes like 3 kicks to break a fence. So it should be pretty doable. Oh, see, you're so close, Turbo. Your guy randomly just turns away. Like, how could I make it so you can control your guy with the redemptions? Valorous, never even close to kicking. Kicking? Skill issues, it'd be like this. I think if you just have enough people, eventually it'll just, like, that's why everything needs to be a fucking, everything needs to be interactable. So even if you miss your goal, something funny still happens. If be it just you're kicking another goober, or you kick something on the ground, or you kick one of the cabinets, just something in the world should change every time you kick. And it should go kicking, and then it kicks. Okay. But right now, ooh, Turbo, I like your style. You're like preemptively kicking so you can get closer to the fence. Ooh, please kick. Oh my god, guys, please kick. Please kick. Oh, no, you turned away. Oh my god, why? Oh, it's so brutal. Okay. You hate to see it. Mover 3D. How am I going to do this? It needs to be like a blockable mover 3D that uses... I think I just used the raycast. I think trying to do anything else is... It's rigged! I feel like this. I need the, I need like the low latency version to like really make this work, I think. Oh, was that a kick you got maybe? Yeah, maybe I should run in low latency. I'm always afraid low latency is gonna like ruin my quality though. Because I think the VODs are really important to me, at least, to like make sure I have quality VODs. But does the latency mode affect the quality of the VODs themselves? Like that blonde guy says, I've come to kick cast and chew bubble gum, and I'm all out of gum. That was me. Yeah. Okay. Blockable move 3D. How am I gonna do this? Because how do I even define where the thing starts, where the raycast begins and ends? It just has to be where the base of the node is, which is going to be what for the aim actually hand. It's going to be this. So this is actually primed and ready to go because it's kind of in a good spot to shoot out a raycast. Or is it? I don't know, because I want it to be like right here. So maybe I need to make a separate node that represents the point. Oh my god, nice kick, Turbo! Oh shit, that was pretty good. Oh yes, keep it going. Oh my god, yes. No, Turbo, no! Turbo! Yeah, I guess you can't really see. Okay, next stream we're gonna try out low latency mode, and then we'll see how good it is. Because, yeah, actually. I think if I just, like, if I do all the pre-rendering on my computer, low latency mode shouldn't really matter. It should just, like, not have as much processing on the server. Ooh! Oh my god, Turbo, you did it! Sorry there's no, like, special effects, but there you go, you broke the fence. I add, like, a little poop of smoke whenever it breaks. But there you go, you're free! You got freedom! Congratulations! Our first broken fence! Our first broken object in the world! Yeah! Yeah, baby, let's go! Oh my god, I was so invested in that, and now... now I can finally, like, get back to working on my game. Okay. Actually. How am I gonna do this? I have to just do fucking raycasts, I guess. Do I update the Mover 3D in physics? I might not, which might cause some troubles. Mover 3D. Should wait. I don't think I care. I do updates. But where's update called? Is update called from physics process in the event manager? Event manager. Oh my god, there's so much. Okay, event manager. Physics? No, it's probably not even called in physics process directly because I need to call it from something else. Actually. Update? See, there's update. And then where's event manager update called from? Oh, yeah. Now if you get trapped in there, you can also just kick your way out really easily too, huh? Hey, Moonside, how's it going? Hell yeah. Oh my god, Turbo just broke the other fence. Right now, we're testing out the new feature where you can kick to break the fence pieces and actually get to the other side now. There's actually been progress in the stream interface. Let's fucking go. And so Turbo just broke out of that one. So, yeah. It's hard though, because there's like a stream delay, so by the time you do the kick command, your guy might have already walked away. And so next stream, I'm going to try in low latency mode and see how that goes, because it would be really cool if you could actually like kick and in real time see your guy kick, which should be a thing. I mean, I wonder if I could update that in real time on Twitch. I don't think I can, but I'm going to go to the settings and change it now, so that way I don't forget next time. Where do I even change that? Clip visibility? Subscriber only, followers only, exclude category, enable clips. It should be right here. Oh, latency mode. Low latency, best for near real-time interactions with viewers. Okay, if I click that right here, surely it won't update the stream in real time. That would be ridiculous. But, if you do find that you are now able to kick much faster with when the stream shows, let me know. And then I'll see. I guess you can update it in real time. Okay. Alrighty then. Oh my god, I love that emote. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Who is this diva? Oh wow, is that like a built-in Twitch emote? Oh my god, I want that. Oh my god, I want that. Ah, that's such a good emote. Oh my god. Okay. Get it out of here. The limited time emote gone forever. It is. I got hype trained. Oh, I see. I don't really understand how hype train works still. It's a little confusing to me, but I hope to one day experience a hype train of my own. Choo choo, motherfuckers. Okay. And so we begin with the hell that is coding things, as we always do. As we always do, we have to code a thing. Why do I exist in a world where code exists? Why must I exist? Someone drop 5 kids to subs quick. No. Run, Valorous. What does that mean? What does that mean? Valorous can get up the ramp. Valorous is in prime ramp runnage. Explore the world. I really need to, oh my god, I really need to add more interactables. It'd be so easy to do. Next Meta Monday, there's gonna be a little crazy because I'm finally gonna be free from the coding hell, and we just do things on this platform, hopefully. I always say that, and then we always get distracted by a coding thing. But hey, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. Actually, I was checking if this is updated in physics classes. So if I go to the player, actually be player stuff, event manager .update. That is indeed called within the physics process. Actually. So, I guess I could reliably use, whatchamacallums, raycasts in here without much of an issue. And then I could do the thing I was talking about where it redirects into different events depending on the outcome of whether you get blocked or not. So let's do that. That sounds fun as shit to do. Stop. God damn it, Moonside. Stop flexing your emotes on me. That is a cute emote too. Holy shit. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, Mover 3D. Mover 3D what? Mover 3D blockable, I guess. And then in here I'd have to do some sort of way to block the hand from moving. So, but first of all, we need a start point for the raycast. So we'll do node path, and I'll do, oh yeah, I forgot my fucking combos. Export node path, node 3D, var what? What do we do here? It is varred raycast point path node path. There we go. And then I got to do it for down here. So that would be raycast point, and then raycast point unwrapped. And then I need to go over here. Oh my god, this is such a tedious way to do things, but like this is the only way that makes sense. Boo boo boo, boo doo 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 doo, and then I grab it over here as well. Oh my god, yes, Yes, I added a fire effect to my editor. It's really stupid, but I kind of like it. It makes me happy. It makes my brain just a little sparkly on the inside. Allow null, nope. Well, I guess we can't. No, we can't. So that gives me the raycast point unwrapped. And then what? And then what does that mean? What does that mean? That means I must now go to update the position, but but first we do a raycast to the new position. So we have the start position. We have a current position, which is this. And then we have our new position, which is going to be this. So this would be final new position equals that. And then what? And then what? That is a good question. I think I need to just set up a raycast. How do I do this again? I need to do node 3D unwrapped. We live in a 3D world. We live in a 3D world. We live in a 3D world. Get world 3D. Direct space state. So direct space state equals this. And then that, we also need the params. So params equals new physics, direct ray physics. Is it ray query parameters 3D? Yeah, there it is. And then params dot what? We have all of these. Okay. But we just really care about collision masks, don't we? So what is the collision mask we want to care about? We have to define that back up here. So I gotta export physics? Yeah, flag 3D physics. Var, what would this be? It'd be the mask. So, collision mask int? And then that's going to be assigned to our collision mask right here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So far, so good. Then we call cast? Cast motion ray. No, it's intersect ray. Oh my god, I actually know Godot. I actually fucking know Godot. Oh my god, I'm so good at doing raycast now. I know things. Okay, params. And I also need to do a start and end params, don't I? So params dot start? Or is that not how I do it? Hit inside faces to, oh yeah, it's from and to. So from the current position, which is this. I should probably do that as a global position, actually. Well, actually, I should do it from the raycast point path, global position, and then params to. I need to get better at 2D raycasting Godot and just using Godot in general. Hell yeah! It just takes time, Moonside. You just gotta, follow what you love doing and game dev slowly, and just do what you can do, and then push the boundaries a tiny bit when you really want to try and do something new, and then slowly over time you'll eventually get it. Like, my god, I would Google how to do this raycast code like every time I needed to for the past 3 years. How long have I been using Godot? A long time. I mean, technically it's been 5 or 6 years, because I made a one-off fucking 3D platformer in Godot 3 at one time. But yeah, no, it is wild. But one day you'll just wake up and be like, oh yeah, I kind of have this from memory now, not including the auto completion from the editor. But hey, we don't worry about that. So this is now we got new position plus. Oh wait, now I need to translate from the position of the object to this. So maybe I should guarantee that raycast point is always a child of the other thing. I could probably document that here. This must always be a child of node path. I mean, it's not going to help me in the editor, and I should probably validate that in the code somewhere, but for now I'm just going to leave it documented, and then if future me has an issue, future me will have to fuck off and find out for themselves. So we got the new position, and that's a local position too. I also need to consider. So, oh god. So, how do I do a raycast from that local position? I don't know. I don't know. Because I need it to be global. So can I turn that into a global position from my relative position? But then that needs to account for the current position too. Okay, here's what I do. I get the offset of this. So final offset position equals the current position, which is this, minus, or it'd be new position minus the current position. So that give me the offset position. Then I can add the offset position to the global position to give me the global new position that I want. Okay, so that would be node 3D unwrapped, dot global position, plus the offset position. And then the from can just be the global position of the node 3D. But actually, what I want is the raycast offset. So I need to add that as well. So it'd be global position plus this dot position. And then this would just be from plus the offset position. Does that make sense, everyone? Does everything I just say make sense? I hope so. It's going to be on the test, and you better have studied. I swear to God, you better have studied. And then this is going to give me a result map of some sort that for some fucking reason is a dictionary. We've gone over this before. And if result is empty, or should I say is not empty, we can then move accordingly. Hopefully, sparingly, probably, not likely, but hopefully nevertheless. Okay. All right. So now we have the result. Now, that's the easy part. Now I have to process information. I hate processing information. I don't want to think. I just want to sit here and be dumb and not have to think about anything at all. But here I am, stuck here. It does make sense. Thank you, Valorous. Thank you for understanding. So I need to get the events to handle what will happen after this either collides or hits final destination. The movie, blah, 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 blah. So I need to get this if statement. So here's an example of me using events. I inject them immediately next in the start, which is what I should do here. So let me actually use this as like a baseline for what I'm trying to do. So let's go here. Export events if moved successfully, and then events if blocked. And then, okay. Oh my God, the loading emoji is so cute. Okay, if, and then we need to pre-process and reset these. Let me copy these over to the blockable. So pre-process is gonna set up all of these sub events, whatever. Move this successfully. So if this, then this, and then this, blah, blah, blah. And then reset's gonna reset all of them. So same thing as before. We're gonna grab these and do doop, 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 doop. Okay. All right. Okay. So now we've reset it successfully and we pre-processed successfully. I need to blow my nose. Give me a second. No, this song is my weakness. What does that mean? What does that mean? What is this from? I'm trying to think. Is this from Pikmin, maybe? I saw there was a couple Pikmin songs in this playlist, but I can't tell anymore because the playlist is not just one big MP3 file. But, yeah. Are you getting EP? I'm pretty EP myself, honestly. I cannot wait to fucking take this fat 3-hour nap after this. Oh my God, I got a cough so bad right now, but I'm gonna hold it in because I'm never coughing again my whole life. I'm not letting it out. I'm not letting it out. That was just a breath. That was a breath. That wasn't a cough. It was a breath. A breath. A breath. Ain't no way you said Pikmans. Is that what I said? Is it Pikmin? Did I say Pikmans? What is that? Is that just what you said? I don't know what's happening. What did I say? Yo, can we run that clip back real fast? Can editor, past self, can we run that back real fast? What did I say? Just Pickmans? That's what it is. It's pick. Okay, answer me this. Are you playing with one Pickman or multiple Pickmans in that game? The answer is multiple Pickmans. You get like 100 Pickmans and add them to your ship or whatever the fuck you do in that game. And then you're like, Pickman's time. And then they all start dancing or whatever. Picking these nuts. Anyway, if this is the case, we're going to inject. So we're going to inject. Now I need to stop this. So if result is not empty, return done here, which is what I do in the if, right? I do finish instantly, which is kind of the same thing. But we inject next. This is if blocked. So let's check if that's not null and length is greater than 0. Inject if not blocked is next. Otherwise, when we get to the top of the duration, or whatever this is, we do if move successfully. All these things come next. Okay, this is a wacky ass event that I've never made before, so I'm gonna recompile for like clean 10 seconds and then see how it goes. More like pick me up. What does that mean? Why don't you pick on someone your own size. I'm gonna cough. No, I never coughed in my life. Okay. Coughing is just a state of mind. It's like heat. Moonside, I was outside today and I was fucking getting destroyed by the heat. My god, I was fucking running between shadows like a goddamn ninja. It's like that one indie game where just like you're the shadow and you have to stay in the shadows. That was me, but in real life, me going between shadows. Me fucking scouring the parking lot for a shadow so me and my boy can eat a sandwich real fast before we headed home. Oh, that shit was so hype. We found this big ass tree we sat under. Oh, it was amazing. Holy cow. Oh, the shadows are so clean. I wish, why can't shadows be as easy as they are in real life? But yeah, it was hot. My god, was it hot. I'm so glad I have sunscreen in my car. I usually forget, and then I'm like constantly thinking about how like my arms being hit by the light while I'm driving my car. And it's like, I can feel the sunburn crawling on me. Pikmin identifies us as Latin Americans. What? What the what? What? What does this mean? What does this mean? So I'm gonna move this, and so I'm going to make my node 3D raycast point, and that's going to be not there, but actually it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be right here, and then we're gonna change this mover 3D into a blockable mover 3D. So mover, where is it? Why isn't it next to all the other mover 3Ds? Have I finished recompiling? Oh, they recompile had an error. Pikmin is about leaving a shithole. Oh, huh. It'd be like this. Interesting. I guess it kind of is. I don't know. Thought that was a shithole. You got all your Pikmin friends? They're cute. They're just some monsters that come out at night sometimes. Every once in a while. Oh, there's an error here. Missing fields for this. What the fuck are you on about? This is a node 3. Oh, I was using the path instead of the actual node itself. In fact, I should probably be using this instead. Oh, preprocessed node? Oh, holder node. Okay, all the errors fixed now. It would be so cool if you got raided and the finger turns into gold. What? I could probably do that. I like that idea, Moonside, because it'd be really easy to implement. But when I get raided, I want there to be like confetti that rains down, and then like, I don't know, like something that's interesting, I guess. And then like all the raiders, if they are raided, they get like a special little raider hat. I don't know how I'd even check if they're a raider with the API, but I think there's some way I can do it. Oh my god, I would love that so much. There's so much to do. There's so much to fucking do. Okay, trigger, move 3D blockable. Okay, and then I need to copy these properties over, so, let's just get pointy hand holder, like that. Oh god, okay, pointy, raycast point. Oh, and then should wait is true, and then I think it should always be true because I need a way to react to it somehow. Oh my god, game development equals null. No, it would be no. I am a null safe individual. I always check my code to make sure it is properly null safe. I use null safe typing and null safe checks on all my things, so that way I am 100% safe from the nulls. I'll have you know. What am I gonna do for my mask? I just want player, right? So that's a player. I don't know if that means like the player. This has to mean player collision. And then if moved to success, it should do all this. If blocked, it should do some other shit. But right now the duration's 75, so let's set it to that. And then I gotta copy all these into if moved success, which is going to be a castle, a major hassle, a major hassle that's gonna casserole my fucking asshole. You know what I'm fucking saying? Does anyone understand? Anyone in this world understand what I'm saying in this moment? And if it does get blocked, then what? I guess it doesn't do anything. It just gets blocked, and that's the end of that. Okay. Now, theoretically, this could work first try. This could. If it works first try, I am so ready for my nap. This might just have to be a shorter stream, because I'm eepy. I'm eepy, and an hour is a good amount of streaming anyway. Go under that, do that. So if I go from here and walk in front of the button, nothing happens. Everything goes to shit. The raycast happened way too well. Oh my, what? What happened? Okay. Did this not, should wait, all this is going on. What? Huh. I'm not entirely sure what went down there. According to this, it should be moved from 10 to -12. So, we're moving on the Z offset. It got moved. You saw it right there. What the fuck is going on with my shit? Please, can you just work right now? Holy fucking shit, what the hell is with this? Oh my, oh my, oh my goodness. Why the fuck won't my hand be visible to me, even if it's not seen? Oh my, oh my, oh my goodness. Can I please get a game that's glitchless? Can we just have something where it works on first try? Oh my goodness, where the hell is my thing? I can figure out where it's gonna happening if I just look through this editor real fast, but it's because it's hard to find things. I am going to scream. Here it is, the pointy hand holder. It's time to see where it's going to be. I'm tracking its stuff. I'm tracking its position. Where shall it move when I get crushed? Oh my goodness, I'm going to rush. What the fuck is up with this goddamn bullshit? It just didn't update. Is it because my game is cursed? Oh my goodness, I'm going to burst. Oh, I found the issue is right here. I forgot to update the position when this is not empty. What the fuck is wrong with me? I got to change position, you see? Okay, enough of that. That's a banger song. That is such a good song. They cooked hard with Mario Galaxy, despite it being like one of the weaker entries in terms of like level designs, in my opinion. Well, not in terms of like level designs, but like, you know, in terms of like, I guess even in terms of level designs, it's kind of mid. I hate how linear it is. I hate how there's no camera movement. I hate how it's not like as traditional of a 3D platform as the other ones are. But that's just not my hot take. This is my hot take. I want movement in my Mario games, and not being able to control the camera and having a Wiimote waggle thing to make yourself spin and I'm just pick up star bits. Look, it's a fantastic game. I'm just not a big fan. It's too hot. I think we lost him. I do love Mario Galaxy. Aesthetically though, Mario Galaxy is fire. It is so good. Position, it's going to be new position right here. There we go. I'm going to reposition and now I must recompile. Mario Galaxy. Why couldn't I be born as a Mario Galaxy? Why? You know what I hate about Mario Galaxy 2 is how there's no fucking Rosalina. Can you believe that shit? How, like, Rosalina was such a hype, like, what would you call, like, what's the word for, like, a character that's, like, a part of the party? Like a not a comrade, like someone who's, like, by your side through the adventure? I don't know. Fuck, but like they were a good companion character for Mario Galaxy 1, and then Mario Galaxy 2, she's just not there, and then she's gone. It's like, what the fuck is that? Because did I get blocked? Oh, I blocked it. Oh. Okay, now I need the player to react, but I think this is good. No, seriously, like, what the fuck is up with that? Yeah, I love Rosalina so fucking much. Rosalina is so cool. Oh my god, Rosalina is so hype. And I loved, like, there was a period where it was kind of like iffy what Nintendo was gonna do with Rosalina, because she was like a newer character and like a weird kind of new princess that wasn't really a part of a lot of the outside of the Mario franchise and like Mario Party and Kart. But then eventually, of course, Rosalina does become like a mainstay princess, and it's great. It's great. Rosalina's just perfect. Rosalina was added to Smash. That shit was so cool. Oh, Rosalina is like such a unique character. Oh my god, I love Rosalina so fucking much. Rosalina's so fucking cool. It's bullshit that I don't know if you can call it a retcon, but like, there's a baby Rosalina in Mario Kart that doesn't match up with the fucking Rosalina backstory. What the fuck is up with that? How hype would it have been to just have like Kid Rosalina, which is like the actual like game accurate elevation, I don't know what you call it, like pre-ascension Rosalina as a young lad, child, or whatever, just driving a car. I don't know, it'd be so cool. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. No one cares about Rosalina. Rosalina is now just the corporate slop that exists. It just exists to exist, basically. Why wasn't Rosalina in Mario Galaxy 2, that hub's world? That's all I wanted. I guess Rosalina was in the game a little. I don't remember much of Mario Galaxy 2, to be honest. It's a weird game how, like, it wasn't a sequel, but like a sort of a reboot of some sort. Give me my companion Rosalina in my game, please. Thank you. In fact, just give me a game where I play as Rosalina. Why couldn't I just be born as Rosalina? You know what I fucking mean? Like, what is up with that? Does this just fucking... Oh my god. And if I block this, then it blocks. Okay, perfect. Kinda. I did block it a little. This is pretty close to the button. But that is what I achieved, so I guess that should be fine. This needs some collision too, honestly. Wait, does it have collision? No, it doesn't. I need to add like an animatable box of some sort. Animatable. Once I add the body, then we can call it collision shape 3D. Let's make that rectangle, and then like that. This can be kind of inaccurate anyway. I'll just stretch it out all the way. Just stretch it out all the way. And then there we go. Boop like that, I guess, and up. Maybe like that. Oh god. Oh no. Okay, we're good. We're gonna bring this one in a bit more, and then bring this down again. And then, oh god, this is unaligned. So make this not unaligned, I suppose. I suppose that'd be the good move, to make this not unaligned. And then, can I make this Y a bit smaller? And then make this a bit smaller. I guess 0.8, 0.6 is good. And then this can be 21.5. Okay. Now there's a collision box on my thing that has collision. Okay. Is that just gonna magically work? That'd be so sick if this just magically worked. You know what I mean? You know what I fucking mean? Let's do it. Making a Godot level editor would be so cool. For real. I mean, it's kind of what I already have. You kind of just make your own level editor by just adding your own nodes and shit to add to your own level, but yes. Oh fuck, I still got touch, but at least I can... Oh wait. I can't even interact with it. I can't even jump on it. What's up with that? Oh, come on, game. I know you're better than this. Maybe. Does an animatable body not work? Wait, I said to sync to physics. Which should work though. Wait, true the body's movement with synchronized to physics is useful in anime. but it's already being moved in the physics frame, so I don't think I need that. I think. Did you just say these nuts aligned? Did I? I don't recall saying that intentionally, but maybe it just came out of myself before I could even control it. Sometimes I just can't hold it anymore. I just gotta go, these nuts. Okay, and then trigger it, and then block it, and then I fucking got spiked. I got trolled by my own shit. Go under here, jump over this, trigger this, boom, and then stay on top of it. I hate how delayed it is, but it's like I already measured it to be perfect, so I hate that it kind of isn't perfect, I guess. This collision box is clearly inaccurate. I need to make it a bit smaller, so let me do that. It needs to be a box. I don't want any slidey slide bullshit, but at the very least, and this could be like 0.5. 0.5. There we go. It's just a small box. It's just a small box. It's a box no matter what, which means the collision is fucking fire inaccurate as shit. So I can abuse the size as much as I want. You know what I fucking mean? Size abuse, what? I don't know. Do that. Okay, block the hand, jump in front of it. Okay, this is way more accurate. Yeah, now it feels like it's more of an actual thing that exists in the world. And you can block it. And I need the player to get like bounced when that happens, but I don't know the right way to do that. Do I have like a different node dedicated to player scale somehow? And if I don't block it, I get crushed. But that is, oh my god, that'd be so good. When you see, because you'll really clear indication to what's being interacted with when you like stand in front of it. So that's good. That is good. I wonder if this is a puzzle people get stuck on. Will it be not obvious what to do here? I wonder. This is like towards one of the harder things, and making it the first puzzle of the game might establish expectations pretty well. But at the same time, it's, I don't know. This button pushed down right now? I don't think it is. Is it? I don't think so. Result is empty. So if result is empty, is that guarantee that this hit the thing? It should. And filtering is already gonna happen with the mask, so I think that's fine. Okay, that's pretty cool. Whew. All right, I'm pretty happy with this. This is pretty tasty if I do say so myself. I think making something stupid simple is never a bad thing. I agree. I like stupid simple. I really like that this is a little puzzle thing, because the game is sort of puzzly. And this is your first kind of mini puzzle. How do you stop a hand from pushing a button? You just stand in front of the hand. It's sort of kind of like self-explanatory. In a way. In a certain way. Anywho, any say. I guess well, let me think about this. I'm not sure what to do. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna raid this individual. So yeah, I'm gonna call it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on stream. Moonside, Valorous, Turbo, and Telistus. Thank you all so much for dropping in. I'm gonna call it a day. I got a pretty good goal done. I need to get some sleep. I'm a little tired. And this is a pretty neat little small stream where we get some good things done. We got animation done. We got this little interaction with the mover done pretty good. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and raid a okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I got things to do today, guys. Bye then. Oh no, Valerie, stop being sad. I'm sorry. Here's our Wade message. Here's our Wade message. And look, I can do one with the 3D cubes. See, it's great. It's great. I can put those in here. We live in a 3D world. We live in a 3D world. Hell yeah. And then can I copy that and put that in my notes for next time? I can. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna raid this person making a cool ass GBA game. Or it's not GBA, I guess it's a Game Boy Color. Anyway, Moonside, I love you, Valorous. Thank you all so much. Oh my god, I love that. That is a cute fire emote. I'm sorry. I really need to get some sleep. Bye. Okay. Anyway, Unless you're still here. I guess you don't have to join the raid. I always wonder how that works, because I never really paid attention much to what we, oh, is this a Spanish channel? Oh, fuck. Did I fuck up and raid someone who doesn't speak English? No, it says English Spanish. It should be fine. They seem happy. That's all that matters. Anyway, see y'all later.